Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites, DVR model, firmware, and whether the LAN port is 100 Mbps or 1 Gbps. Connect the DVR to power and plug an Ethernet cable from the DVR to a router LAN port. Once done, access the DVR menu with admin credentials. Make sure to record the current network settings. Choose DHCP to test connectivity quickly, or pick a static IP if you need consistent remote access. This prevents IP drift and eases port forwarding later. You'll now configure the network in the DVR interface. Navigate to Network or TCP/IP settings and choose DHCP to verify connectivity quickly. Once done, if you need predictable access, switch to a static IP, enter IP, subnet mask, gateway, and primary DNS, and make sure the address is outside the router DHCP pool to avoid conflicts. Also enable RTSP and ONVIF if required, and note the HTTP and RTSP ports. These are essential when setting up remote viewing or NVR. You finish by testing local and remote access. Open the mobile app or a browser, enter the DVR IP and port, and verify live video and playback. Once done, configure router port forwarding for HTTP and RTSP. Map each external port to the DVR's internal port and test from an external network. If something fails, check physical cable and LED status, confirm no IP conflict, and inspect firewall or NAT loopback issues. One key tip: temporarily enable router DMZ for the DVR to isolate firewall problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.